Imagine a world where your favorite car dealership suddenly goes dark, no systems, no data, nada. That's precisely what happened to thousands of dealerships across the US when CDK Global found itself in the crosshairs of a cybercriminal group. These hackers pulled off a double whammy, hitting CDK not once, but twice. And here's the twist, they're demanding a jaw-dropping ransom, tens of millions of dollars, to restore CDK's systems. It's like a high-stakes negotiation in a digital underworld. Now, let's talk about CDK. They're the unsung heroes behind the scenes, the wizards who make sure your car buying experience is smooth as butter. Their cloud-based software handles everything, from vehicle acquisitions and sales to financing, insuring, and maintenance. It's like the backstage crew at a blockbuster movie, essential but often overlooked. And their cybersecurity game? On point. CDK boasts a three-tiered strategy to fend off cyber attacks. But even the best defenses can't always stop a determined adversary. So, who's behind this digital heist? Our money's on an Eastern European cybercrime syndicate. Picture shadowy figures huddled around glowing screens, sipping energy drinks, and typing furiously. Maybe they wear hoodies, because, you know, that's the hacker uniform. But seriously, it's hard to pinpoint. These groups operate like modern-day James Bonds, minus the tuxedos and martinis. CDK's caught in the middle, trying to negotiate with these digital extortionists. Will they pay up? Stay tuned. As we speak, CDK's tech wizards are working tirelessly to restore their systems. Picture them huddled around glowing screens, wiping digital fingerprints, and chugging coffee like there's no tomorrow. But here's the kicker, while work is underway to get services back up and running, CDK estimates the process will take several days. Imagine the tension in their virtual war room, the clickety-clack of keyboards, the occasional frustrated sigh, and the relentless pursuit of normalcy. Meanwhile, dealerships are feeling the heat. Some have gone old school, dusting off paper methods to keep business rolling. It's like watching Vin Diesel switch from high-tech gadgets to a trusty wrench in the Fast and Furious movies. And as the clock ticks, the stakes get higher. But wait, there's more. CDK restored some systems that afternoon, but another cyber attack later that evening prompted the company to take the systems offline once again, according to a letter sent to customers. Talk about a roller coaster ride. The drama unfolds, and we're here for every twist and turn.